पूर्णमुदच्यते पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते। ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः। We'll chant the 7th mantra. This is page 113. 113, 7th mantra. अथः इमम् आसन्यं प्राणम् ऊचुः त्वं न उद्गायेति तथा इति तेभ्यो एष प्राण उद्गायत ते विदुः अनेन वै न उद्गात्र अत्येष्यन्तीति तम् अभिद्रुत्य पाप्मना आविव्यत्सन स यथा अश्मानं ऋत्वा लोष्टो विध्वंसेतैवं हैव विध्वंसमानाः विश्वञ्च विनेषु ततो देवाः अभवन् परासुराः भवत्यात्मना परास्य द्विषन् भ्रातृव्यो भवति य एवं वेद. We had seen in the morning class that in this pranopasana of the third Brahman, the Devas got together and they thought, let us make ourselves stronger by doing Udgit Upasana, Udgit Karma rather, because they were in minority. The good vritti are small, lesser number. Pandavas were only 5, but Kauravas were many. So they thought, let us do good actions, and each one of them, Chakshu, Grana, Svak, they started doing Udgit Karma. But they did very good karma. In Udgit Karma, what they did, whatever came to them, they offered to the Lord. How to make yourself stronger? More you give something to the Lord, more the strength of Lord comes to you. Your ability, your strength is dependent on how much what you get is you give it back to the Lord. This is the strength of a person also. So they gave it to the Lord. And not only they gave it to the Lord, but it is written that if you see one line is there repeatedly coming, Tathaiti tebhyah chakshuhu udadyat chakshushi bhogam tam devebhyo agayat. And whatever good was there from the eyes, they kept for themselves. Good eyes, good vision, good words. So whatever best was there, from the best speech, best words, they kept for themselves. At the same time, whatever came as a bhog to them, they offered it to the Lord. Okay, so bhog became now a prasad now. This is the way one makes himself stronger. Stronger means what? Stronger means he is now having a connection with the Lord. Connection with the Lord, he is not the one who is left alone. He is well connected to the Lord. That is the strength of the person. I always say one thing, please unite from and for. Where from you are getting, when you do that for him, this completing the circle of from and for is called Karma Yoga. And because you do this, so the strength and power of the Lord comes back to you. Somebody is doing for you, so you will also ask what you need. If somebody never does anything, you won't ask what you need. But if somebody is giving you something, this question will be there, okay, what can I do for you? You are doing for me so many times. What can now I can do for you? Okay, so this is what make them stronger, these devatas. So in the person's life, when yajna is not there, that person almost is lordless. Powerless means lordless. But new problem came. Problem was when they started winning, the asuras came. And because their goodness was not 100%, when goodness is not 100%, it is going to be defeated. Don't say I have little calm and little growth. That little will take away all. If you have 90% goodness and 10% badness about a subject, so 90% goodness can go to 0% goodness in few minutes. But from 0% goodness to come to 90% goodness, it took lot of time. People ask this question, I do good to everybody, but why bad happens to me? देखें आप. Now what do you mean? You are doing good, but why bad happens to me? This is your badness that you are expecting good to happen to you. This is creating disturbance now. This expectance that why bad should happen to me, this has taken away the joy of doing the good also in your life. Okay. So unless goodness is in sufficient and complete measure, it won't help you. This is a typical point. Not little faith doesn't help. Lot of faith is required. Little tapasya, lot of tapasya is required. Everything has to be in a very big measure. And that weak point, asuras got it. Asuras means the doing without thinking and enjoying without offering. Where you don't make God your altar and you do it for ahankar, that is asura. Ahankara arpanam, that is asur buddhi is there. They spoiled the whole thing and ultimately they got defeated. Okay, somebody gave a donation. do the mission. And he said, let's see, I gave so much and this is what I got. People did not call me in the function also. So these things we keep on hearing. Out of many, sometimes you are left, not because there was a deliberate leaving, but maybe it must be slipped somewhere, they left. And I have seen those who do a lot sometimes, they keep quite a good account of what they did, and that is where they lose in life. So whatever good you do, you please forget as much as fast as possible. And whatever bad you do, please don't forget. So that asuras attacked, and all the devatas were defeated. Okay. So little weakness is enough to make the person lose. Itna अच्छा आदमी, but one small thing made him totally lost. Little anger he had, little calm he had, little lobh he had, little अहंकार ही है, गड़बड़ हो गया सब इसका. अलप लोभ भल कही न कोई. Tulsidas ji says in Ramcharitmanas, however good face may be, little white spot here and there spoils the whole beauty. Similarly, asuras should not be entering, and this was by prana. Seventh mantra is about the prana. Remember, pranopasana is going on, and the name of the prana here is there. He also did that thing. Prana, you understand, no? Consciousness with Kriya Shakti. Consciousness with Kriya Shakti. Power of activity. Cosmic prana. Expressing in the individual as individual prana, but it is a cosmic prana only. I was telling you, that sun has a power of activity, earth has a power of activity, body has a power of activity. So when that was given to him, they went to him and he also did the Udgit Karma. But when these asuras went to attack him, nothing happened to him. You know why? Because he was pure. Pure means not having selfish desire, not having sensual desire. Thinking without ahankar is purity. Purity means the person doesn't have a reference of ahankar. I went to somebody's house, and that lady of the house, she had made a soup, tomato soup. Just to tease her, I said, see, your tomato soup is not good. And if you want to tease a lady, compare her from another lady. Then you see what happens. So you can find out how pure she is. Then I told her, that particular lady is to sprinkle more salt on the wound. I said, that particular lady, whom you have not called, she is very good in soup. She said, can you give her phone number? I said, why? Well, I'll just call her or I'll get the menu. I said, you are not upset? She said, no, why should we be upset? At least something she can make, I cannot make, doesn't matter. I make, she makes, but at least you will get the right soup. Nothing was there in her mind that she was upset or disturbed, because she made 10 dishes, I didn't praise one. And one soup, I made a comment. All was deliberate. But after that incident, many times I used to do, the respect for her increased in my eyes. Purity means thinking without what I will get, I will lose, it's all fine. God is getting, God is getting and I don't need it. Moment you have a selfish desire, you become weak on that area. You are inviting the asuras. Asuras means kam, krodh, ahankar, etc. If you are sad, don't be sad because you lost something personal. I don't mind it. Let the personal thing be lost. Personalization of sadness is jivatva. Personalization of happiness and sadness is Jeev Bhav. Impersonalization of sadness and joy is Ishwar Bhav. Now this Pran was impersonal. He was not attached to one body actually. He was not attached to one particular body. So he said, he was not weak. You know why Bhagavan is not weak? Why he has no calm? When Bhagavan Krishna did Ras Leela, you read Bhagavat, around 30-40 days it takes to complete Ras Leela. How many days was there in Singapore? 20 days. You know, he held the gopis' hand, right? He embraced them also. He kissed them also. But you know, very beautiful point. That was not his weakness. Tell me why. Because who was Krishna was Gopi. I kissed my hand. I embraced my hand. The difference between Jeev and Ishwar is Jeev is identified to one body. Ishwar is with all bodies. We are Alpagat, he is Sarvagat. We are Alpatit, he is Sarvatit. And therefore there is nothing that he is with Krishna body. He is with Gopi as the Gopi. Krishna alone became Gopi. Remember one point. Don't separate Krishna and Gopi in Ras Leela. You will end up in problem. Secret of hearing Ras Leela is please make Gopi and Krishna one first mentally. Therefore it is Leela. It is not Karma. It is Krishna Leela. We don't do Leela. We do Karma, creating fruit out of Karta. And if somebody is acting, then you say, "Badi Leela kar rahe hain bhai." If somebody acts in front of you, "Boli kya Leela kar rahe ho tum?" That means he is not doing it with Karta. Bhagavan Krishna had no Karta. He had 16,108 wives. And all were not ordinary, like we all. All the wives were extremely beautiful. And when Bhagavan used to come, they used to give him argyam, padyam, give pan. Somebody used to press the hand. Not one. And in all palaces he was in different forms. Now I'll tell you one thing. When Parikshit was born, I think this comes somewhere in Mahabharata, Bhagavad doesn't come. Parikshit was born dead. So Akashvani came. One who is a Naishtik Brahmachari, he should touch, and Naishtik means not even in thought also calm has come. Forget about action. Thought also calm has not come, then this boy will become alive. All Rishi Muni were standing on the front row. Bhagavan was on the last row. This Rishi Muni said, 2 minutes I am coming, Why to touch and get a bad name? And here, from the back, Bhagavan Krishna came. He said, I will touch. People said, Mahagrahast you are. Ordinary people are Grahast. You are Mahagrahast, Bhogeshwar. Not Yogeshwar only, Bhogeshwar. He touched and lo, Parikshit was alive. Dhyan dekhna, calm is there, one who is apurnata. Otherwise it is Leela. I touch my hand out of my Leela. It's my luxury. There is no calm in touching my hand. I don't get a special more joy. I can touch my hair. Because Atma is here also, same Atma. There is no calm in that. Therefore, asuras are not there. This pran, because it has gone through all the body, it knows I alone am, therefore he could defeat the asuras. I hope you are getting. You are defeated only when you have left a gap for desire. You want the world to fill you. बस गए आप काम से. Moment you use the world as a filler. Some program is there, cultural program. So they introduce some bhajan in between. They believe this is the filler. 5 minutes we have gap, some kirtan will be, you will sing the kirtan. You filler laga diya. You are using the world as a filler, you will become empty. The one whom you used to fill your life, that created emptiness. Where you went for relaxation in the world, that became a source of tension. If you have not relaxed in something worldly, you will not get tensed. Okay. The one who drinks, he goes for relaxation in the wine. The one who smokes, he goes for relaxation in the smoking. And that alone kills them. Get the point here. इनको कुछ नहीं हुआ. You know what Upanishad says? Sa yatha ashmanam mritva loshtah. There was, it is written here, there was, what is it called, big boulder rock was there. And somebody hit a mud on that rock. Examples are good. That rock, when that rock will be intact, this mud will all scatter away. Similarly, all asuras got scattered away, and this prana was like a rock. Oh, I hope you understood this point. Moment to desire anything from anybody, you are in a soup now. Well, it's so difficult. Well, we should practice it. So I give you 2 mantras. You can repeat it when you are sad. Well, what are the mantras? I don't want anything from anybody. I thought you will say Ram mantra, Krishna mantra. And second mantra, but I will be loving and serving everybody. Whether you are good or bad. I am repeating it. I don't want anything from anybody. When you get angry, when you get sad, please repeat this. How many times? Till the disease persists. Keep on taking the medicine. I don't want anything from anybody. And second is, but I will love and serve unconditionally. Whether you love and serve me, I will not think that you did not do this to me. Why should I do this to you? यही strength है आदमी की. Well, you know who's your weakness? From where you want. Well, don't touch my raw nerves. Many times you touch my raw nerves, I get a jerk. I was sleepy, I got up. Don't make anybody your weakness. I'm repeating it. Please be very careful in living. Little slip at the intellectual level can ruin your whole life. If you have to want something, go to God. Want as much as you want. रो, हंसो, बोलो, खाओ, डांट दो, चिल्ला लो उनके सामने. कुछ भी कर लो आप. When in Durban ashram, when I needed money for ashram, I never asked anybody. I used to just to go to the Lord and sometimes say, sometimes cry. All money came. If it has not to come, let it not come. Let the building be incomplete. Who bothers about that? Nobody will go and say, why did not you give? Why did not you contribute? Nothing. Why should I bother about anybody? Don't make anybody, not a single person should be our weakness. all asuras will come inside and will defeat us. And it needs practice. I'm just giving the plan for the laksh. Working, we will do it. If you are convinced about this point, we'll take time to work about. 1 year, 2 year, 3 year, 4 year, it will take time. But principles should not be compromised. I fall, that is my problem. That is my problem that I slip from time to time. Don't bring down the principle. Don't say it is not possible. Don't use such word. Otherwise, Bhagavan would not say, Prajahati yada kaman sarvan parat manogatan atmannevatmana tushta sthit pragyas tadochyate. Bhagavan won't use such words. Santushta satatam yogi atatma drandish. Bhagavan won't use such words. Bhagavan won't say in Gita something which is not possible for us. Well, he is talking ideal. That alone should be there. Otherwise, nothing else will help you out. Acha, this is the portion. I have to complete something I should complete. So what is the Phal Shruti? Please see the Phal Shruti. What is the Phal Shruti? So, Tato Devaha Abhavan Parasuraha. Devatas all became victorious now. Because of them. Not because of themselves. Because of the prana, they are all victorious. By themselves they are all defeated. Last line. Bhavati atmanam parasya dushan bhratavyo bhavatiya evam veda. One who knows like this the devatas, what happened? So, his stepbrother, if he hates, who's his stepbrother? One who knows like that. Bhratavya means stepbrother. He hates, so he gets defeated. Why he gets defeated? Why he gets defeated? I'm repeating it. Remember, one day I was telling, what thoughts you gave come back to you. Because he did the prana upasana as in all. You are everywhere, you are everywhere. Defeat means you are cut from somewhere. Defeat means you are truncated. Doesn't belong to you. India got defeated. Cup doesn't belong to you, World Cup. Rain came and disturbed the whole thing. When rain was not to come, rain came. Ab batao. Rohit Sharma hitting century and there he got on 0, 4 run, 1 run. Ye kya baat hui? All defeat means this is not yours. Aapka nahi hai ye. And somebody defeats you means what? I am not yours. And if you have conquered somebody hard, what it means? I am yours. Defeat is a very subjective thing. That world is making you aware that this thing is not for you. I am not for you. Money is not for you. But one who has done prana upasana by thinking he is in all bodies and he is pulled, world is making him appear, I am for you. You go anywhere, you will get honor. Means what? Honor is for you. Money is for you. Servant is for you. 100 kinds of food come. Food is saying, I am for you. So around you are us thinking things, I am for you. I hope you are understanding this point. Okay. अच्छा, what happened to these devatas? बेचारे क्या हुआ? काफ़ी इनकी तो हालत खराब कर दिया था असुरों ने. So देखो क्या लिखा. Please read. Little Shankar Bhash I will read. I am tempted, although time is not there, but I am tempted to read certain thing. 115 page. First line. ततः तस्मात् असुर विनाशात्. मिला? ततः तस्मात् असुर विनाशात् देवत्व प्रतिबंध भूतेभ्यः स्वाभाविक असंग जनित पापमभ्यः वियोगात्. When asuri bhav, the diminished qualities were destroyed, so they were identified with their one body. That who? Devatas. Swabhavik asang janit papmabhya. That means what where the path was there of identifying with one body, then what happened? Viyogad, asamsarg dharmi mukhya pran ashraya balat. So that pran which was asansargi, that was not attached to only one body, they got refuge in him. And what happened? Prakritaha abhavan. Prakritaha abhavan means what? They got back their original form. What is their original form? Original form means they were identified to one body. Now they got the identification of the whole Brahman. Okay, wow, very good. Next paragraph. Kim abhavan? Kim abhavan? What they became? Swam devata rupam. Agnyadi atmakam vakshmanam. They became real devatas who were caught up in the prison of one body. पहले इसी बॉडी के देवता थे, अब सबके देवता हो गए वो. ओके ओके. पूर्वम अपि अग्न्यादि आत्मना एव संत स्वाभाविकेन पापमना. Earlier also they were devata, but they were caught up because of their sin. What sin they did? See, the sin is written. Papmana tiraskrit vijnanaha. They had forgotten that I am all and I am identified to all. They got identified to one only. Pind matra abhimana asan. They got identified only with one body. यही पाप है. मिल रहा है ना? You are seeing that, no? You can underline that particular Purvam api agnya adi atmana eva santa. Although they were devatas, swabhavikena papmana tiraskrit vijnanaha. Tiraskrit vijnanaha. They had neglected that knowledge that I am in all. ओहो ओहो, अच्छा. And फिर क्या कर लिया? पिंड मात्र अभिमाना आसन. They had abhiman means identification with one body. My sorrow and my joy is everything, not your sorrow. They forgot that same Agni is in all. Okay, okay. यही पाप हमसे हो जाता है. पाप means what? पाप means what? You are holding on to some very small thing, although you are big. Gurudev used to say, funny example, if your feet number is 12 and you put a shoe which has a 9 number and you try to put your shoes, how much it will itch and it will bite you. Shoe bites. That is called shoe bite. Well, you are in all and you are identified only with one body's sorrow and joy. This is your sin. Sin in short is your joy excludes everybody's joy. बस रो आप बैठ के. योर सॉरो दूसरे का दुख से दुख नहीं, हमारा पर्सनल दुख बहुत बड़ा है. अरे मारो गोली, पर्सनल दुख है. सो ते तत् पापम वियोगात उज्जित्वा. When they get dissociated with this sin. Just give me little taste of the bhashya. Little taste. I thought I won't. But every time I think we should also enjoy. अब क्या उज्जित्वा means living. पिंड मात्र अभिमानम शास्त्र समर्पित वागादि. So they left the abhiman with one. Pind means body. उज्जित्वा शास्त्र समर्पित वागादि अग्न्यादि आत्मभिमाना बुबुहु. And then what the Shastra is saying, what you are, you became that Agni which Shastra is saying, not what your Agyan is saying. So what happened to these devatas? These devatas became devatas of the Virat now. Samashti devata they became. Okay. Earlier they were caught up in this Vyashti jail. This is one jail. And what is Punarjanam? Transferred to another prison. Hardened criminals are not kept. In Pune also there is one jail. Very famous jail. क्या नाम है उसका? हाँ? ऑल हार्डेंड क्रिमिनल्स आर ब्रॉट देयर. बड़ा नाम है इसका. जैसे माल्या विल कम, यू विल ऑल्सो कम हियर. Lawyers of Malya said that jail is not good. The jail people told, no, we have made arrangement. Funny things happen. यार्डवाड़ा जेल इज देयर. एक बॉम्बे में भी जेल है. ये हमारी एक जेल है. अच्छा, अब भाग नहीं सकते इससे, इसी के लिए सब करना पड़ेगा. सो दिस इज द मीनिंग देयर. आई होप यू हैव अंडरस्टूड द पॉइंट. अच्छा देखो, अगेन थोड़ा सा देख ही लेते हैं. नेक्स्ट पेज यू सी, थर्ड लाइन. ताहाचा अपोह्य असंग पापमास्पद दोषवत्वेन आदोषास्पदम मुख्यम प्राणम आत्मत्वेन उपगम्य वागादि आध्यात्मिक पिंड मात्र परिच्छिन्नात्माभिमानम हित्वा वैराज पिंडाभिमानम. देखो, वैराज मीन्स विराट. दे आर नॉट आइडेंटिफाइड विद द विराट. वैराज पिंडाभिमानम वागादि अग्नि आदि आत्म विषयम. एंड देन दे गॉट दी रियल अग्नि, फुल अग्नि हो गए. अच्छा, हाँ. एंड देयरफॉर, अब आई विल नॉट रीड टू मच, यू विल गेट वरीड व्हाई आई एम रीडिंग, बट मेन थिंग यू गॉट दैट दे गॉट आइडेंटिफाइड विद द विराट नाउ. अच्छा.